Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to log into Netspend account on PC. Netspend is a US-based financial services company offering prepaid debit cards and banking style account. It allows you to manage your money without a traditional bank tracking spending, receive direct deposits, pay bills and shop online. Logging into your Netspend account on PC gives you full loop control over your finances, letting you check your balances, transfer money and the manage card settings. So here's how to securely log in on your PC. First, you need to open any of your web browser, Chrome, Edge, or the Firefox. In the top over here, there's an address bar. Type down netspend.com and enter it. And on the home screen, once you reach into this Netspend official homepage, in the top right corner, we can find this login icon here. Select this login icon button, usually at the top right corner. And always ensure you are on the official Netspend website to protect your account. Over here on the login page, you need to enter your username, type down your password. You can also complete a captcha, the one-time codes into your email, and select continue. And that is it. You can now manage your finances safely from your PC, and your Netspend account is fully accessible on your PC, letting you monitor transactions, transfer funds, and manage your prepaid card with the ease. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.